Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hails India's exemplary COVID-19 vaccination program. In his Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio, he says it's faster than anywhere in the world. India records 13,052 new COVID-19 cases, 127 fatalities, 8 new COVID cases reported from Meghalaya. Centre allows cinema halls to operate with 100% seating capacity from February, issues new SOPs. Political activity gained momentum for April 9th Garo Hills Autonomous District Council polls. Chief Minister and NPP National President Conrad K. Sangma confident of his party's victory. And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that India's fight against corona and its vaccination program has turned out to be exemplary for the world. He said India is undertaking the biggest COVID vaccine program as well as vaccinating citizens faster than anywhere in the world. Addressing the nation in his Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio, Modi expressed pride that in just 15 days India has vaccinated over 30 lakh corona warriors. The US took 18 days to get it done, while Britain took 36 days, he said. Modi hailed the Indian cricket team for winning the series in Australia after initial setbacks. Meanwhile, with 13,052 new coronavirus cases, India's COVID-19 tally has climbed to 1,07,46,183, while the number of people who have recuperated from the disease has surged to 1,04,22,125, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Sunday. The national recovery rate has climbed to 96.99%. The death toll increased to 1,54,274 with 127 new fatalities. The data updated at 8 a.m. showed. The COVID-19 case fatality rate stands at 1.44%. Meanwhile, Meghalaya has recorded 8 new COVID-19 cases and 17 recoveries on Saturday. All the 8 new cases are from East Khasi Hills district. In a major relief to the cinema and entertainment industry, the centre has allowed cinema halls to operate with their full capacity starting from next month. In its new standard operating procedures for cinema halls and theatres, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting said that the auditoriums of the cinema halls, theatres and multiplexes have been allowed to operate with 100% of their seating capacity. Informing about the decision, Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar said that the relief is a significant step towards the return of normalcy after the pandemic. Political activities are gaining momentum in Garo Hills for the upcoming District Council polls scheduled on April 9th. Chief Minister and NPP National President Conrad K. Sangma has executed confidence of winning the poll with comfortable majority. Talking to reporters, Sangma said that the party has already finalized candidates. On the other hand, the Meghalaya BJP has claimed that several sitting and former MDCs have expressed their willingness to contest the poll on BJP ticket. Indicating this, BJP leader and Health and Family Welfare Minister A.L. Hek on Friday claimed that they had approached him personally to contest from BJP. Meanwhile, NCP State President Saleng Sangma said that his party will field 2 or 3 candidates in the upcoming polls.
Nothing to deny that fact, but we will be also able to showcase a lot of different work that the government has done, not only district council but also in the state government, and on the basis of that we will be convincing the voters that they should vote for the NPP in this coming election in the district council.
BJP have been approaching me also, a few candidates from the Garo Hills. They want to contest from the BJP ticket. So now it is a responsibility of our party leaders, including our party, parliamentary party.
But looking at the situation right now of the district council, I don't feel like putting much candidate. Maybe I might put 2, 3 like that, just for, being a national party, at least we have to be there, just to feel the presence only.
Recently, Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma visited Yoski village. He was accompanied by Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, PWD Minister Sngab Halangdhar, and was welcomed by the local MLA Mukayao and Sungo. As his chopper landed at Presbyterian Secondary School ground, he was informed that the school was started in 1989 by his father, late P.A. Sangma, as the deficit school. He visited the area where his father laid the foundation stone and met the members of the managing committee of the school. The committee submitted a memorandum highlighting certain problems being faced by the school. The Chief Minister assured to look into them. There is no certainty when Meghalaya is going to host much-hyped national games. Indicating this, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that though preparation were going on in Shillong, Tura and Jainta Hills, Indian Olympic Association (IOA) has not yet fixed the date. The IOA is still in discussion with Goa, Chhattisgarh and Uttarakhand, where the games was scheduled to be held prior to Meghalaya. Talks is in progress and the decision of IOA is awaited, Sangma added.
Which are in line before us. Therefore, we are discussing with them if there is any way in which Meghalaya can come forward and host it, but it really depends on the Olympic Association, and Goa will be hosting it first, and then I think it's Uttarakhand or Chhattisgarh. I'm not very, I don't remember which state it is, but there's another state after Goa, and then Meghalaya's turn comes in.
The Catholic Church of Jowai Diocese yesterday laid the foundation stone for the construction of Cathedral Church at Musa Linkat with an estimate cost of Rs 8 crore. Time frame fixed for completion of building is 3 years. 3 cabinet ministers Lakmen Rimboy, Gurman Shilla and Sngab Halangdhar along with others attended the program. Addressing the function, Dhar called upon the construction committee, also members of the church, to stand united to achieve the goal. He announced to contribute Rs 50 lakh for this project. Now let's have a look at the weather report. Maximum temperature 14.5 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 4.3 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 65% and in the evening 60%, rainfall nil. Forecast, Shillong and its adjoining areas will have fog and mist in the morning, generally cloudy sky expected. Now let's have a look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hails India's exemplary COVID-19 vaccination program. In his Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio, he says it is faster than anywhere in the world. India records 13,052 new COVID cases, 127 fatalities, 8 new COVID cases reported from Meghalaya. Centre allows cinema halls to operate with 100% seating capacity from February, issues new SOPs. Political activities gain momentum for April 9th Garo Hills Autonomous District Council polls. Chief Minister and NPP National President Conrad K. Sangma confident of his party's victory. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.